Welcome to AlphaCars and Motorcycles. My name is Dmitry and today we're checking out 2025 Ural Gear Up in OD green and with some really nice accessories. So for those that are new to the brand, definitely check out our YouTube channel. You can learn a lot. But for those that know Ural motorcycles, you would see a lot of cool things on this bike. We're going to start with dual seating. So this is the solo seat with some gel pads, and you can see the seat itself is the original classic tractor style configuration. As far as the front end of the bike, you can see the license plate, front license plate that is mounted to the fender. You can see the headlamp visor, and of course famous LED driving lamps on this bike. We also have a rear view mirror for the sidecar, and for this particular customer, this is a sold bike. It's getting ready for delivery. We also did a pre-installation cut for the spotlight, and then we have a plug covering it because there will be some graphics on it now. What else? We do have a nice sidecar windshield installed on the bike. And for those that have not been inside the Ural Sidecar, again, check out our YouTube channel. You're gonna love that. And it has a nice comfortable seat, plenty of room. Because this bike is getting ready to be picked up, the original seat is supplied with the bike, and the tractor style, or we also call it vintage style seating, is now installed on the bike. We should not forget to show you the trunk space. There's a lot of it. This bike was debadged. Ural nameplates were removed and saved from the tank, and we also have the original owner's manual and over two cubic feet of space comes with a Ural Sidecar. So that's all that. The rack for the back, spare wheel. This bike also comes with optional rear bumper, stainless steel, high mount, single exhaust. 2-in-1 exhaust is now standard, and it's an amazing fabrication masterpiece. Here we have the brake pedal, reverse, and this is a brand new 2025 motorcycle. It's getting ready to be picked up. So thank you very much for watching this short video. We're very excited for the new owner of this bike, who's going to receive it in the next couple of days. And we thank you for watching this video. Please consider sharing, subscribing, and please let us know which videos you like by simply clicking the like button. Thanks for watching.